welcome back to my channel. Ashanti here, and I'm back with another video. Today I'm gonna be doing a recreation of an Ashanti look that I've seen in a video she was in. If you guys seen it, it's fire, like low-key. Don't mind my wig because this is not like a wig, laid wig like baby hairs and shit. Like this is not that type of wig, so don't come for my soul because I got time. Anyway, so so this bomb look that she had, and I was just really inspired by it. I had to get it. I done bought clothes to go with it. So I'm going to be doing the makeup that she had. It was super simple, super flawless, super dope, and I feel like she had like pink highlight on her cheeks. So that's what we're gonna be doing today. So I don't know if this is gonna be a voiceover or if this is gonna be, oh, I need to do my coffee. I don't know if this is gonna be a voiceover or if I'm gonna just be talking through the video. I'm mostly going to be talking through the video because all these products I used before. I'm just doing something super simple. So we are going to get started. We're going to put on some Ashanti songs so we can get into it. I hope you guys enjoy. I love you guys so much. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, share. Don't forget to hit that notification bell. Of course, don't forget to follow me on my social medias. I will have it pop up on the screen right here. I think it's going to be here or here, one of these ways. Yeah, and it will be in the description box. And let's get started. I'm about to go make me a coffee though. Okay, we got our coffee popping. Now it's time to jump into the face. And we're going to do a little dance real quick. And then we're going to get into it. Now I'm going with the Too Faced Hangover Primer. And this is the one with the coconut oil or coconut milk or something in it. And Ashanti has a very glowy, flawless face. So that's what we're going for today. And this primer is fire. Okay, now we're going to go in with the e.l.f.'s Putty Primer. I want my pores to be no more, okay? I don't think I really have bad pores, but we want to look fullest as possible. This is an $8 primer and it's fire. So first things first, we're going to go in with the eyes, and I'm going to be using the Itsmyrayeraye X Bh Cosmetics. I don't think you can get this palette anymore. It's fire if you missed it. Yeah, so I'm going to basically just use natural shades. She had a simple eye look, so I'm going to go in with this shade right here and a couple of brown shades and just put some shimmer on top, and we done, honey. As for the shimmer shade, I'm going to go in with Fairy Tale, if I'm not mistaken. Don't kill me, I don't have the palette in front of me right now. I'm going to go in with Fairy Tale, and then I'm going to go in with the shade the shade next to it, because I wanted to give like a peach pink vibe going on. So for foundation, we're going to go with the Too Faced Born This Way and the matte one. I did a review on this foundation a couple of videos ago. I will link it, and I'm going to just put this on my beauty blender and just put it all over my face. If you want a updated foundation routine, please let me know in the comment down below, because I do my makeup kind of differently now. Okay, so we're going in with the Too Faced Born This Way concealer in the shade Chestnut. Her concealer didn't look super bright, so I didn't add any other brightening concealers like I usually do. So I'm just going to go in with this one, and we're going to just conceal on the under eye. now I'm I'm setting with my Laura Mercier powder in the shade Honey. Like I said, all these products are reviewed in a video, so I will link it. Check that out. And this powder, sis, this freaking powder, I'm just not gonna say anything. I'm gonna just let you look. So now we're going to get into some cream contouring. I'm going to use the ColourPop No Filter foundation stick in the shade 197. I love this shade for contouring and bronzing. It's fire. So we're going to do some sculpting. So now we're going to bronze, and I'm going to go in with the Fenty Beauty's Cocoa Naughty Bronzer, and we're going to just set that contour. I suggest any cream contouring that you do, please set it. If it's with a bronzer or a contour shade, I suggest that you set it so it doesn't move. Next we're going with the NYX Can't Stop Won't Stop face setting powder, and I believe this is in the shade Saddle. Don't kill me. I will have everything linked in the description box if I'm butchering my shades. So now I'm gonna set my whole face. I love this powder. This powder is super fire and super affordable. Now I'm going in with the BH Cosmetics Blushin' in Bali, the blush and highlighting palette. I love this, is so fire. I think this is really slept on, and I'm about to get some blush on and some highlight. So I decided to go into the Anastasia and Beverly Hills times Nicole Gurerrio glow kit, and I'm going to use the 2 peach shades in there so I can get that peach highlight look. And I love this palette so freaking much. Like the shades is fire. Anybody, any shade could use this palette. I think it's still in stock, so you should go check it out. I'm going in with my little tiny chestnut pencil from MAC, and I'm going to just line my lips. This is going to be my favorite lip combo. I'm going to be using chestnut MAC lip liner with Shayla times ColourPop Slow Down lipstick, and I'm going to be using her gloss in Drippin. I'm going to do a great lipsticks and lip glosses for women of color soon, so stay tuned for that. Okay guys, this is it for this video. Thank you for tuning in with me today. I hope you guys enjoyed. If you like these transformation videos, please comment down below. Let me know. Hit that like button. Please hit that like button. Don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, share. Don't forget to follow me on my social medias. And I love you guys so much.